Thousands of families gather at the boardwalk to witness the art of aeronautical acrobatics in Mazatlan spectacular skies. A sport, emotion, adrenaline, art. Without a doubt, Mazatlan Air Show 2011 is etched on the memory of tourists and locals as a spectacle like no other. The roar of the engines made us look up to discover incredible stunts. Gliders, delta wings and parachutes began the event with a decline unmatched, waving a huge Mexican flag since their heights. All guarded by Luisa Romero pilot, whose plane went spiral down.
Look, fortunately this is a sport where women can participate as much as men can. It doesn't require strength, just expertise, a certain delicacy, yes, and a bit of aggressiveness in certain moments, but well, any woman can do it. You know what? We are very impressed for all the attentions that we had. The commandant, the airport administration, everyone, the mayor, they have behaved with us amazingly. Really, no, really, it is appreciated. No one has ever treated us this well. Really, really, Mazatlan is really something. We really appreciate it, and hopefully, you invite us again. We will bring an even bigger group of pilots to give you more variety.
Cessna-type airplanes decorated the harbor's skies. Amazing spinning and great variety of figures that aroused the excitement of those present. Not to mention the arrival of Learjet, flying over 500 kilometers per hour, almost kissing the waves of our Pacific Ocean.
No, forget it, it's amazing. So beautiful, really nice. I love Mazatlan. Geez, I was shocked to see the amount of people. There were thousands, it was so full. The boardwalk is a really large area to fly. The airplane that I fly gives a smaller rank, so it was going from here to there. I had kind of adjust my routine to make it a little different in order to reach more people. No, thank you very much. We really appreciate it, and thanks again to all Mazatlan for all your attentions.
As a fact, flyers team conquer the beautiful sky of the biggest harbor in Latin America. And so can you. Come to Mazatlan.